This car's unbelievable. It's a D350 X-Dynamic HSE hardtop, which is a Defender commercial, but it's had the rear seat conversion. Come and take a look at this. It's a 2024 74 registration, 21,000 miles with 5 seats. So your normal hardtop commercial comes with 2 seats or 3 seats. The bulkhead's been taken out, the rear seat conversion's now in, nice, soft, full leather interior with the carpets back in again. And this is a hardtop commercial, 69,990 plus VAT. But it's brilliant, and what makes it even more brilliant, it's the biggest diesel engine, the D350, that's 350 brake horsepower. It's got the air suspension, the electric deployable Towbar. And just because you're buying a commercial, it doesn't mean that it can't look good, because this looks absolutely fantastic. It's got that bespoke styling kit, the pod lights, the rear spoiler, the side steps, the mud flaps, the upgraded wheels, and because it's the HSE, you've got this nice soft black leather interior, Meridian sound system, electric memory, heated and ventilated seats, full digital dashboard and the dark cross beam backdrop. You've then got ClearSight rear view mirror, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors. There's a heated seat and ventilated seats. You've got wireless charging pad, 2 keys, lots of cubby hole space. You've even got heating steering. The car is unbelievable, literally. And being a commercial, looking this good, with the rear seats in, it just doesn't get any better. I can guarantee you this video will be going live and it will sell this car within hours. From the front, you've got the full black styling, side venting, bonnet venting, Canards just there. You've then got the LED daytime running lights, LED front fog lights. It's stunning, and the condition of the car is absolutely superb. So well looked after, and it has got the remainder of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty. The ambient lighting in the door pockets, on the central dash just there, the big screen navigation. This is stunning, it really is. And because it's a commercial, the Towbar will come in hand without a shadow of a doubt. Again, the space and the condition of the back is spot on. And then as you get to the back of the car, I've mentioned the top spoiler, but then you've got the tinted rear lighting system, spare wheel cover, and like I said, you have the electric deployable Towbar. So you press one button and literally the Towbar comes out ready for use. Seats do go down, but this is your sort of load area still, so you get more than enough. Doesn't this car look great? Now we sell lots of them, but very rare do they have the seat conversion. Very rare is it the D350 and hasn't got the full spec, like the air suspension, the right colour combination, but most importantly, in the right condition. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. If you like what you see here, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.